Let me show you how you can change the Google background on your Mac computer. So as you can see, I have the Google with like the regular white background in here. And essentially it is inside of the Google Chrome web browser. So what you're going to do in order to change it is essentially install an extension, which is going to get the job done for you. So what you can do is to open up like a new tab, or you just type into Google the Chrome extensions, right? So you can find the Chrome extension store, and in the official web store you can change the background. So even if you just look up the Google background or themes, right, you'll be able to find the different styles for your Google, right? So let me just show you the themes in here, right? And you can first of all get the dark browser theme. So for example, this is looking really interesting. You can make it look like dark behind your Google search. But even if you generally just look up some themes, right, in here, you'll have the ability to explore them and essentially find something which is going to make the Chrome look different. So I don't know, for example, I'm going to choose this, the purple one. If I added this to Chrome, you can see that I install it, and now the Chrome changed to purple. And if I go to the new tab, as you can see, it's looking like this. So the Chrome is in here in like the purple color. The background behind Google is purple. So that's like another way of how you can change it. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Let me know if it worked the same way for you as well. Hit the thumbs up if it did, subscribe, and I'll see you later.